Writing the equation of a line in slope-intercept form when given the equation of a perpendicular line and a point on the line. What is the equation of a line that is perpendicular to the line y equals 3x plus 6 and passes through the point 12 and negative 3.5? In order to write an equation in slope-intercept form, we need to know the slope m and the y-intercept b. So to write it in this form, we need m and b. Now we have been told that our new line is perpendicular to this line here, where the equation is y equals 3x plus 6. So this line that we were given is in slope-intercept form. So we know that the slope of this line is 3. When two lines are perpendicular, their slopes are negative reciprocals. That means you can flip the slope, multiply by -1, and you'll get the other slope. So our first slope that we were given was 3, or 3 over 1. 3 divided by 1 is 3. Our perpendicular slope is going to be the previous slope flipped, so 1 over 3, and multiplied by -1. So now we know our new slope. The last piece of information we need to find is the y-intercept. So we can take our equation, y equals mx plus b. We can substitute in the slope and the x and the y value that we were given. Y is negative 3.5 whenever x is 12 on this line. So all we're left with now is b. So if we isolate b, we'll have our y-intercept, and then we'll have all the pieces of information we need to write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form. So negative 3.5 equals negative 1/3 of 12. So 12 divided by -1 is negative 12. Negative 12 divided by 3 is negative 4. Now to get the b by itself, we're going to add 4 to each side. And so what we get is 0.5 equals b, or 1/2 equals b. So over here, I can write b equals 1/2. Now that we have the slope and the y-intercept, we can write the equation of our line. Y equals m, negative 1 over 3, x plus b, 1/2. And to see what it looks like, we'll scroll forward. Notice that we'll have a slope of -1, down 1 and over 3, and it will cross the y-axis at 1/2. So there's two pictures provided so that you can see a little bit more clearly what's happening when you count down.